So you're looking for a destination that's safe, inclusive, and absolutely breathtaking? Let me take you to Montreal, Canada, where the vibrant culture and stunning scenery welcome all travelers. Imagine this, stepping into old Montreal, where cobblestone streets and historic facades meet bustling modern cafe terraces. It's like walking into a European fairy tale, but make it Canadian. Now, here's why Montreal is a standout among global destinations. It's a hub for diversity and inclusion. The city doesn't just tolerate you, it celebrates you. From Black-owned businesses thriving in the Mile End neighborhood to LGBTQ+ safe spaces like Sky Complex in the Village, there's no shortage of love here. What's better? Relaxing in Parc Mont-Royal. Yes, the park designed by the same guy who did NYC's Central Park. Get lost in its lush trails or hang out at the scenic Condia-Ronc Belvedere. It will leave you awestruck. Hungry? Head to Little Burgundy, where you'll find iconic eateries blending global influences with Canadian flair. It's also Black history rich, home to the legacy of jazz legends like Oscar Peterson. Montreal's calendar will keep you on your toes. There's Igloo Fest, an outdoor winter rave, Pride Montreal, one of the largest in the Americas, and the iconic Jazz Festival. And no trip here is complete without trying poutine. It's comfort food at its finest. Wrap the day by watching the sunset over the St. Lawrence River, sparks of its vibrant life dancing in the ripples. Montreal isn't just a place to visit, it's a story to live. Travel where you're celebrated, because this incredible city is waiting with open arms. Ready to pack your bags? Your adventure starts now.